So as promised, so we are going to do a tour of my bridal makeup kit. First, definitely, simulan natin sa mga skin prep. So, normally, I like to skin prep by cleansing the skin muna. Hindi ko maiwasan lahat yung brides ko before ako dumating. Nag-light makeup muna sila. So, it's either they're going down for the breakfast or they're welcoming other family member before makeup artist arrive. So, ako kasi as a makeup artist, it is important to start your makeup with a clean skin talaga. So, this one is Tevian Rinse-Free Moisturizing Cleansing Butter, which I love so much. So, tingnan mo, ito yung dati yung ginagamit ko, which is ito yung R&D stage niya, pang 7 or 8 revision nata ito. So finally, we come out with the perfect solutions that we have for you guys, that you guys can remove makeup, cleanse your skin right away without rinse, and at the same time, pwede kayo mag-makeup agad-agad siya, parang skin prep rin siya agad-agad. Next, another essential things in my kit is definitely skincare, which is a good quality of moisturizer. So ako, I always go for si La Mer Soft Cream. So this one, with oily skin or dry skin, this is always never failed me. So I'm always rely on a good La Mer Soft Cream Moisturizer. So kung meron ng skin prep, meron ng lip prep. Yung lip prep ko, I always go for Tevian She Balm. I hope by now, you guys already tried the Tevian She Balm kasi this one is a tinted lip serum balm. So it's very good hydrator for your lips also. And then after that, we move to the base. For the base, I always go for the Skin Perfecting Starter and also the Radiance Luminous Primer of Tevian. So this one I've been using on my brides for a long time, kahit even yung R&D stage pa lang siya. And I got so many compliments from these products. And then, of course, alam natin lahat, yung foundation and concealer natin ay the Ultimate Skin Master Collections from Tevian. So, yan. These foundations kasi, it's easy for me to figure out the formulation by mixing it with the primer together, or I can use it as is. Kasi, it depends on the skin of my brides. At hindi natin mako-control yung mga brides kasi sometimes lack of sleep, and then yung wedding prep nila is very stressful. So of course, it reflects also on the skin. So the Tevian Ultimate Skin Master kasi, it can really cover and make your skin to perfection, especially on your big day. Then of course, ito proof na matagal-matagal ko ginagamit siya kasi ito yung itsura niya R&D stage dati. If you're one of my brides before, you know that I've been using this kind of foundation, and akala ng mga tao nadidipot ko from another brand, but actually is Tevian formulations. So yan, para hindi makikita ng tao kung ano ginagamit ko sa kanila. Pero yun, lahat, kahit oily skin or dry skin, na address natin yung issue na yan with the Tevian Ultimate Skin Master Collections, because it's not just pure foundations or pure base makeup, but it's at the same time is skincare. So the foundation and concealer kailangan natin i-set with powder. Yes, the Tevian powder, alam natin lahat na launch na namin to at ginagamit ko talaga siya. Super pino nito, guys, and you won't feel like having a powder on your face. Pero there's something that I would like to show you guys also na nagulat ako. This is not a new products from Huda Beauty, pero lately ko lang nagustuhan siya at alam ko na paano siya gamitin. This is Glowish by Huda Beauty. Hindi siya matte, at the same time hindi rin siya yung dewy looking, or hindi rin siya masyadong yung super blindedly na oily tingnan yung mukha nyo or makinang. Pero this one is just having very sheen finish lang siya. So I love this one so much. Lately I've been using this one on my brides kasi sometimes sa bridal makeup kasi you have to get that glow, that bridal glow talaga. So this one is one of the product that can help me achieve those bridal glow on my brides. Something that I really cannot work without lately is this powder. So this one is on the process for Tevian's powder. So this is far from the launching date, yes, but I've been already using it on my brides for more than a year now, and so far I'm loving it. And this one I think is on the 6 or 7 revisions. I've been improving the formulations before we launch it because we want to achieve the perfect formulation for you guys. And alam natin lahat, for contour and highlights and blush are very important things for bridal makeup kasi dapat subtle lang, guys. Hindi siya pwede yung masyadong sculpted yung mukha nyo, at hindi rin masyadong dapat ma-blush on. So dapat yung subtle lang, yung parang nagbo-blush siya, nagpo-flashing yung skin niya, or may makeup or walang makeup. So dapat ganun yung impression na pagbigay natin sa mga guests ng bride. So of course, Tevian Dainty Dust is always go-to ko for bridal makeup kasi easy for me to carry around, easy for me to retouch the bride kasi one palette, you have 3 products. But let me talk about my latest favorite also. This is from Japanese brand, Addictions Tokyo. So this one, a product that I super love. This is technically is a highlighter, but I super love it in the way na I'll show it to you guys. It's lilac color. But I love it so much kasi sometimes I like to layer the blush on my brides with a highlighter first before using a blush on to achieve a more radiant skin and natural finish also at the same time. Alright, when it comes for eyeshadow, I'm known to be very picky with formulations, but I'm not picky with colors. I can make any colors work on the bridal's makeup kasi sometimes it's the matter how you match the color of the eyeshadows, the blush, and the lips to make it work. So in terms of formulations, I always go for Mario. Yes, Mario is always giving a best for me, almost perfect formulations in terms of eyeshadows. And of course, si Natasha Denona. There. Silang dalawa yung kailangan na sa makeup kit ko, personally, bridal makeup kit ko, or even yung normal makeup kit ko or retouch makeup kit ko. For my lipstick, okay. Lipsticks is something that I can just pick up from any brand and mix the color and then make to the color that I would like to achieve for my brides. But if I have to pick the formulation that I really love lately, number one is Prada. Prada lipstick is always amazing. And then Gucci lipstick. Gucci lipstick is so good also on my brides. And they have a good selection of color also. And then Valentino also having so much good formulations and also so much options in terms of color. The Lip Affair collection ng Tevian. So we have 24 colors. So basically this is one of the biggest collection of lip products from Tevian. So we have 24 colors to choose. Lip filter. There are more on bridal color, everyday makeup color, or something that easy to be used for everyday also. And they're non-drying formulations. They're lightweight because for bridal makeup kasi kailangan something na hindi nakaka-dry ng lips. At the same time, hindi yung masyadong mabigat sa lips. For bridal makeup, normally people tends to focus on the face, like the finish on the face, the glow on the face. But for me, I like to achieve that a total look, pati sa katawan kailangan glowing rin. So Tevian Star Balm is something that I like to use on any brides or also to any of my clients to make the glow on the face and glow on the body pantay. Okay, last but not the least is a good fixing spray. I repeat, fixing spray, hindi po setting spray, because setting spray I can set with loose powder or any facial mist, but for fixing spray, I need to get a good one. Sometimes you cannot avoid that. May mga brides talaga magpipictorial sila under the sun at 12 in the afternoon and outdoor. So having a good fixing spray is very important for me as a makeup artist. For my bridal makeup, so I'm using this tool so far. This is actually a Tevian formulations, which I'm still studying about it and try to develop it. And so far so good. I can't wait for you guys to try this, but this is still far from the launching. Okay, but the one that I'm using also, second option ko, is always this one, Makeup Seal and Lock from BLP Beauty. This is Indonesian brand. This is something that I love. This is really good also. It's really make the makeup stay all day long kahit hindi ko i-retouch yung bride. So this is actually one of my bridal makeup kit. Hindi pa po ito yung main bridal makeup kit. So yes, as a makeup artist, I have a couple of sets of makeup kit that I can choose to bring on any gig that I have. So this is one of those makeup kit that I can bring on my bridal makeups. So hope you guys enjoy a little tour on my makeup kit. And if you want to suggest me review or test on another product, let me know. Who knows that I can be testing on that product on the next video.